Hi, I'm Jeff from Abundant Design, and we like to do rain gardens. Easter Lake contacted me through the homeowner for this project, and they were having drainage issues, wet spots in their yard, just general runoff problems. But also the rain gardens can slow the water and help us to reduce the burden on the watershed or storm sewer system, depending on the situation. So we've got a lot of water coming off the neighbor's driveway. This driveway has a French drain installed. So a lot of it collects through here and runs towards the backyard between the properties and leaves a giant wet spot that's hard to mow, weedy, and just management's difficult. So with this site, we've got a nice spot, long strip in the middle, but there are two different elevations. So we'll do possibly a 2-basin rain garden. What misses or overflows this basin will go into that next basin where it can manage more storm water. We'll come in, we'll excavate the hole, we'll over excavate it, we'll put back sand and a little bit of compost, mix that in the top 6 inches of the soil. That helps with infiltration, and the compost kind of gives the plants a little boost. And these basins will both hold water for about 90% of rain events. Preferably Iowa natives, but Midwest natives. And then we try and go for all season blooms. This homeowner had a list of some of her favorites, so that helps us with plant selection. But we try and put in a mix of grasses, wildflowers that support the bees, and butterflies and other pollinators.
This area would, like, if we got a big rainstorm, would like turn into a river and just like flow into the backyard and end up in a pond in our neighbor's yard back there. And so we wanted it to be something that would actually manage that water flow in addition to just looking nice.
We had areas where like grass wouldn't grow because it stayed too wet.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'm excited because A, we don't have to mow that much grass anymore, but also I think it's interesting. It's going to be really interesting. Like, I like looking at it and seeing the potential right now.
Probably the same. I'm interested in seeing how it fills out. I'm excited for the different colors and the different times that each plant will bloom and seeing how that changes how it looks. I would 100% recommend this to anyone who has similar drainage issues, but also just anybody who's interested in it. I don't think if it wasn't for the cost share that it's something we would necessarily have been able to afford or wanted to put that much money into. So I think it's just really an amazing opportunity.